2019 is not about political party.
How are you?
It's not about Sowore, it's not about the Kubese. It's about us taking our country back and making it work.
It is not just about youth, it's something anti-systemic.
As I was coming into Abuja, President Muhammad Buhari was also leaving Abuja. And I said to myself, this man is packing out as we are packing in. And one thing I told their people when they called me after I arrived at Abuja that I should be careful is that there's nothing to be careful about. You cannot be talking to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come 2019 just like that. But we have acres of manifestos that have been giving us promises. You can find them anywhere. We have leaders who lack capacity. We have people with analog thinking that are running our country. But I will speak briefly about what we are going to do, because that's very, very important. I know so many of you are coming around here. In my view, the first thing that needs to be done in this country is that we have to stop the bloodletting that is happening in the country. And the one that involved active connivance of our security agencies. But following that also, people, we must address an urgent issue regarding energy, particularly electricity. And how are we going to do this? We're going to have an energy mix immediately. This northern part of the country can give us 4,500 megawatts of electricity just through solar alone. Some of the judicial reform we need to do has to be done by fighting corruption aggressively. In other places, when judges collect bribes, they get arrested and they get prosecuted by other judges.
And justice shall reign.